This is Gardy with KHEA Radio. I'm at Alex's Air Conditioning, located right here in Lamarque, Texas, 706 Bayou Road. They do installation on brand new properties. They do maintenance, repairs, everything that comes to air, they got you covered. This is Shine on Lamarque.
'Cause you will shine on.
This is Troy Alexander with Alex's Air Conditioning, and this is Shine on Lamarque. Dad started the air conditioning business in '69, and when he started the business, it was more or less the window type air conditioners. Central air conditioning just wasn't there. People had it, yeah, we had it, blah, 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 but a lot of window units. So that's what he started tinkering with, was the window units. Went to work here in 1985. And then from there, we've got third generation coming up. My oldest son, Chase, he's been in the business with us now probably about 10 years. And so anyway, teaching the ropes so we can keep it going. What we're currently doing now, we do a little bit of everything that includes refrigeration. Your house, to your home, to your business, to your restaurant, to ice machines, refrigeration. The reason why we've stayed here in Lamarque is, as long as we have, is because Lamarque is pretty much a central location for say a 20-mile radius, because we service the island, we service South Houston. We're located at 706 Bayou Road, Lamarque, of course, Lamarque. We've been here for 50 years doing business in Lamarque, and Lamarque's always been good to us.